Piclumen is by far the best AI image generator. It has no daily limits as of now, and the results are in front of you. They're absolutely stunning. Now it is important though to know how to prompt, or else you won't get the desired results. So head over to piclumen.com and click on generate for free. After you've signed up, come to the create tab. It allows you to create images from text prompts, which is text to image, and from images, which is image to image. It has various models that allow you to create various styles of images. For example, if you want to go for a realistic look, it has realistic V2 and flux. If you want to go for something artistic, it has art V1. If you want to create something anime style, you have anime V2, etc. You can select the aspect ratio. I'll just select 16:9. The number of images depicts the number of outputs Piclumen will be giving you. Guidance scale basically means how strongly your prompt will influence the image. Steps represents how much detail will Piclumen actually put into the image. So more steps equals more detailing. A random seed will give you different outputs even with the same prompt. A fixed seed on the other hand will give you similar results every time. And negative prompts basically means you describing what you don't want to see in your image. That was fast. So if I were to type in here something like a female cyborg, this is the kind of image it will give me. If I put in more details like it is raining and add keywords like cinematic masterpiece, this is the result. See the difference. Let's try one more time. Okay, so an ant on a leaf in a forest. Okay, this is the output and it is really good. Now if I were to add more detail, so a portrait of an ant on a leaf in a forest, use depth of field and create a cinematic masterpiece. So this one is much better than the previous one, although the previous one was good as well. I personally love the colors on this one and the details as well. So you can always keep adding more and more details to get better results. Now let's see image to image. I'll be using this image which I created with Piclumen itself, and there's three ways Piclumen interprets an image. First is content reference. So in this it will try to retain the edges and the angle of the shot, but it will make the necessary changes and adhere to the prompt. Second is style reference. So what it will do is it will make the necessary changes, it will adhere to the prompt, but it will try to keep the visuals, the aesthetics of the image same. Third is character reference. So in this it will recognize the character or the person in the image and it will make the necessary changes, but it will keep the same face or the same character. I'm telling you guys, this is going really fast right now. So I'll choose character reference since I want the same face, and I'll set the strength to 0.6. Now the strength basically means how much the image will influence the output, and I'll just describe the image over here. So here we have it, a different image with the same character, the same face. Let's try another example. This time I'll choose content reference and the strength will be 0.8. I'll just describe the changes I want and let's see what it gives. Okay, so it hasn't made changes to the angle of the shot, it has retained the edges and it has made the changes I wanted it to. Let's test the inpainting tool. So I'll be using this image and by clicking on inpaint we get this kind of an interface. We have a brush and we want to select the area of the image we want to see changes in. Also select a fairly big area around the place you want to see changes in. So in case the thing that changes affects the surrounding areas. Describe the change you want to see and let's see what it gives us. Okay, so the flower has been removed. Really amazing. Let's test out the vary feature. I'll be using this image and I'll set it to vary strongly and let's see what it gives us. Okay, so it has kept the same car. It has even tried to retain the background, but it has turned the car 180 degrees. So that's cool. Let me know your opinions in the comments down below and I will meet you in the next video.